In this video, we put the X-Maxx up against a slash and break it. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, so this is the final part of that little bash session. It's been epic, it's been wild. A lot of air, a lot of carnage, a lot of destruction, above all, a lot of fun. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Uh-oh, I just heard the X-Maxx fire up. What's happening? This is the Russian Indestructible version 3. It's a little bit wider than a normal X-Maxx body. Oh, nearly a wipeout. Look at all the cambers, look. Look, every single wheel is like completely out of camber. Look, that one's out, the front's out. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, my poor bug body. Oh. The bug's got angry. Oh. Something's not sounding too good. Oh, lipo's out. I don't know, it's got a... Oh, I think the prop shaft has been. I think I finally killed the Techno RC Centre prop shaft, which is a first, but it's got a cracked chassis, so I probably can't blame the prop. Oh, what happened? Oh, what's going on up here? The prop shaft is slightly bent. Oh, he broke it. Indestructible body is not indestructible. Just missed it, but his body shell come off all the way down there. Oh, that stopped it.
And it's not particularly heavy either, so it can go on your back.
Yeah.
To be honest, that would fit in your back.
How did that land? Oh! Nearly got a helmet shot. It's a slash going higher. It's not as much effort, is it? Oh, bit of body came off. Uh-oh. Oh, and the lipo's out.
What's that? Oh yeah, it's definitely beetle body, but what's it?
Oh, that went up. Oh! Oh! Oh, I think one's broke. Oh! It's no wheel drive. It's just... Ah, the hex. Yeah, wheel hex has gone on the wheel. What happened?
That's a good idea.
Oh! How did it take it?
Oh, it stopped.
Oh, the indestructible body isn't looking that indestructible.
It's looking a bit twisty.
Oh! Oh, battery off.
X-Maxx took it.
Yeah.
What happened? What happened?
I think I might need to hit it with a hammer.
I think I might need to...
Let's have a look.
It's twisted.
Oh! That'll pop back. Oh! I didn't know which way to run there. Oh! I hate to say it, but maybe you should call it a day while it's still alive. Oh, guys, look. The chassis has finally split.
Definitely broke.
It's been cracked for ages, and actually one of my viewers pointed out when I was fixing it, I didn't even notice. And somebody pointed it out, goes, look, the chassis got a crack in it. I was like, eh, that'll be alright. And now it's finally... not alright. Air it out! Hit the jump, flat out. How high can you jump it?
Oh, I think we'll forget that one.
Air it out, Stephen. Oh, how did that land? What are you doing, Mitch? Oh, that didn't work. Hey!
I just double tapped it. Just went.
Nice. Alright guys, we're going to call that a day. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button. See you soon. Bye.